मेरे पास कोई दुख आ ना सके, कोई धूप मुझे मुरझा ना सके, मेरा साया बन के चले मेरे पापा मेरे पापा मेरे पापा. Well, this is a very touching song written by Manoj Muntashir, Mere Papa, that has been sung by Tulsi Kumar, and today is the launch, and we have with us Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Tulsi Kumar and Kushali Kumar. Huge pleasure to have you guys on Bolrangama first of all. And it's an extremely touching song. Were you moist-eyed when Manoj Muntashir made you listen to this song?
Actually, every time means when we were writing the lyrics, when he composed the tune Jeet Ganguly, and when he wrote the lyrics and the antras and everything, means whenever I listen to this song, means the tears has to come out, and that's what I was just reading before coming into your interview on the comments and all. We have just made it live, so people are just talking about means how touching it is. Normally we make song for mother, आप माँ के बहुत ज़्यादा गाने बनते हैं, but nothing is made for father. So it is very touching. Everybody is now making it like we should make these kind of more song for father also. So it's very touching, and जब भी I listen to it, means automatically it happens, means, and I know yesterday I showed it to one of my friend. So he also started crying. So it is very touching song that way.
Right. You've said that I think Sonu Nigam told you that this is the best song that you've ever sung. Because somewhere it came from your heart. That's one of the reasons. Maybe I think he cried after listening to it.
I think ये song का impact ही ऐसा है. And जब गाना कंपोज हुआ और फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं स्टूडियो में गई, सो आई कुडंट होल्ड माई सेल्फ बिकॉज इट्स सो क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. और पापा के लिए है ये सॉन्ग, और आज मैं एक सिंगर हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई पापा, क्योंकि वो चाहते थे और मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ था म्यूज़िक की तरफ, तो इसलिए आज मैं और एक गाने के ज़रिए आई एम पेइंग अ ट्रिब्यूट टू हिम. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड यस, सोनू जी डिड से उनकी भी आंखें नम थी आफ्टर ही लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बैक इन अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स अगो व्हेन आई प्लेड इट
at the event.
Yes.
You're part of the music video. There's a lot of, I think, piousness in the music video. There's a lot of white, I think, element which has been kept. What was your, in fact, thought process when you were just shooting for it?
See, it's very peaceful. White stands for a lot of peace and a lot of positivity. और ये पूरा हमारा जो डायरेक्टर हैं राजीव जी, ये उनका आइडिया था कि हम इसको फुल वाइट में करें. And it is more like two angels, and it's a song for their father, and he is the hero. So our entire thing was to keep it very soft and very peaceful, and that's why we did it in white.
Bhushan ji, what was the brief that you gave to Manoj Muntashir as well as Jeet Ganguly for making this song?
See, this idea came from actually initially from Sonu Nigam. Okay. When we were conceiving this program for my father, and
Suro Ke Sang.
Yeah, Suro Ke Sang. And that time he said ke for Tulsi, instead of she rendering of the famous Bollywood songs like all other singers including him is doing, she should do a fresh song, and you are master in making new songs, so why not you attempt a song for your father? So I got very excited with that idea, and I immediately called Jeet Ganguly and Manoj, and I think they cracked the song in 2 hours. They were so excited, and they thanked me so much कि आपने इतनी important thing के लिए you have called us, so we are privileged कि we are making this song, and he just cracked it in just one go.
I believe it was at the age of 5, I think your father first heard you sing and felt that you should be training in classical, and that's when. What sort of memories do you carry now when you just look back?
Actually, मैं music को लेकर I think all the memories are attached to Papa, because of course he was the music mogul of this industry, and he still is.
Still is.
And तो मेरे म्यूज़िक से रिलेटेड मेरा हर गाना एक्चुअली पापा को ही एक डेडिकेशन है, बिकॉज जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आई एम वेयर आई एम टुडे इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ माई पापा. एंड एंड ये जब गाना हो रहा था तो जब भाई ने कहा कि यू नो मनोज जी इज़ राइटिंग इट एंड जीवदा, सो आई सैट विद देम, आई shared with them the kind of relationship I had with पापा and मैं उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा लाडली हूँ, तो वो सब मैंने उनके साथ शेयर किया। और जैसे कि उन्होंने एक एक लाइन जो लिखी है गाने में, मैं चांद कहूँ मुझे चांद मिले, तो मेरी हर बात मानी जाती थी घर में, एंड आई एम श्योर भाई एंड कुशाली विल एग्री विद दैट।
I'm sure that Kushali is still continuing that
Yes, totally.
Yes,
Totally. I
absolutely.
think
Bhai has been like a father figure in our lives, and yes.
Yes, he actually, I think, at age of 19, he not only sacrificed and took care of the entire T-Series family, but बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है कि इतनी कम एज में आप you fit in Papa's shoes, and he did that wonderfully, and he's always there with us, been with us more, I would say, like a father to us now.
Anil Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor, they're launching the song today. You've been part of, I think, very extremely successful, I think one of the most successful songs ever, Dheere Dheere, recently with Sonam. Why have you chosen? Somewhere because I think Sonam and Anil Kapoor, they share that relationship as well.
Yeah, the thing is actually this just came into my mind when we were planning for this press conference. Okay, we have to launch this song, but I thought okay, some connect should be there, you know, for the media also, and some connect, real connect. So this is a very real connect because Anil Kapoor was very close to my father. He had shared a lot of time with my father that time, and even Sonam was in school with them, in same school, Arya Vidya Mandir. So she also has a connect with both of them. So and they both have superb connect.
Absolutely,
Between father-daughter. So this was going very well with our concept, and also I know both of them, so I requested them and they immediately said yes to it. So it came from there.
I think lyrics, I keep on going back to it again and again, that जैसे आपने कहा मैं चांद कहूँ मुझे चांद मिले, कैसे कैसे जादू करे, एक शिकन चेहरे पे सह ना पाते हो, मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ जाते हो. Would you like to sing it a few lines for us?
एक शिकन चेहरे पर सह ना पाते हो, मेरे लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ जाते हो, होने न दिए कभी मुझको गिले, मैं चांद कहूँ मुझे चांद मिले, कैसे कैसे जादू करे मेरे पापा, मेरे पापा.
Fabulous, fabulous. Recently I was reading somewhere and it was said that the idea was to celebrate your father while you were just making this song. I think you have said somewhere in one of the interviews that the idea that we should celebrate it.
Celebrate his musical journey in the past years, and what better than celebrating it with a song for him.
एंड ही ऑलवेज लव्ड म्यूज़िक. उनको एक ही लैंग्वेज आती थी, वो है म्यूज़िक, और ये उनके लिए एक म्यूज़िकल ट्रिब्यूट है, एंड व्हाट बेटर देन दिस सॉन्ग.
Finally, could you please briefly, any fondest memory that you have of Gulshan Kumar ji?
I have lots of memories. So, see, I always, whatever he used to always talk to me about music a lot, you know, because he always wanted me, like, you know, in music, mujhe bhi that kind of sense of music ho. So he used to, I have listened many songs with him. I still remember this Ashiki, when Ashiki was going to release, and that time pe kya hota tha, we used to release the music 6 months before. It was not like now it is 1 month before, it was 6 months before. So I still remember I was driving with him in the car and he played me this. But I was very, very young, so I used to listen to whatever was running that time in the cassettes That time no CDs
Cassettes
were there,
जी,
only
बिल्कुल,
cassettes
जी,
were there.
जी.
So he played me this song, Ashiki song, and he told me one thing which I can never forget. Means this is the music which will play forever. So you should, as a music company, you should tune your ears to this kind of music, which always works. So, and that was true. Till today, I keep on listening to those songs,
Absolutely.
and as a result, we have recreated Dheere Dheere after 22 years.
And biggest, I think,
Yeah, it has
response
become
that-
biggest ever actually.
Right.
It has touched now 126 million, which is
Unprecedented.
unprecedented. Means no Bollywood music or song anywhere in India has touched this kind of numbers.
Any of your fondest memory?
मुझे याद है पापा जब मैं अराउंड आई वाज 6 years of age, he had put me into Suresh Wadekar ji's academy.
जी, I did.
And another very fond memory that I have was when I was in second standard, he bought me a huge piano, and we also have a piano in the video.
video.
Yeah, so I think that is his connect was with music, and I'm also connected to music. So I think that it comes from him. So I think that the getting me a piano at the age of 7, I think that's what he was. He had a huge vision, I would say, and he knew it that he wanted to see me into music. So I think that's how it all started from there.
Your fondest memory?
I remember when Tulsi was actually always very shy, और वो सबके सामने कभी नहीं गाती थी, और उसको हमेशा हम गुनगुनाते हुए पापा छुप के सुनते थे. तो हमेशा पापा और मैं हम दरवाज़ा खोल के पीप करके सुन रहे होते थे जब भी ये रियाज़ करती थी. और भी बहुत सारी हैं, सो मेनी ऑफ देम. ही वॉज ऑलवेज जस्ट वेरी लविंग एंड बीन वेरी स्वीट. मेरे को याद है हम जब छोटे होते थे, वो हमेशा मम्मी को भी कहते थे कि जब हम सो रहे होते थे स्कूल जाने के लिए सुबह, कहते थे बच्चों को नींद से मत जगाओ, तुम्हें पाप चढ़ेगा. सो ही नेवर इवन वांटेड अस टू वेक अस अर्ली और ब्रेक आवर स्लीप व्हेन वी वर स्लीपिंग. सो या, ही वाज रियली ऑलवेज वेरी लविंग.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for sharing your, I think, personal memories. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.